Hi, I'm Rainey Williams with Williams & Williams Estates. Today we're taking a look at 10701 Bellagio Road, located in the neighborhood of Bel Air, California. We're located directly across the street from one of America's most famous private golf clubs. Let's take a look inside of this 24,000 square foot mansion that will blow your mind. Let's get inside. Here we are in this oversized foyer with 22-foot ceilings that immediately takes you into the living room, where you have a complex space of 3 different sitting areas. Directly to the left of the foyer, you have an office that is built for a mogul. You also have to the right of the foyer an architectural staircase that's actually zero deflection, meaning there is no wall, there is nothing holding it up. Couple this staircase with a custom motorcycle that comes with the home. Now, if you think that's awesome, come with me and let's take a look at the game room. Here in the entertainment room, the first thing you will notice is this 500 bottle wine cellar, totally encased in glass. Directly in front of this wine cellar, you have this luxurious sitting area where you can sit back and enjoy your favorite bottle of wine, or you can meander over to the bar, designated the tequila bar, because this is one of 5 bars in the home. And after having a few drinks, why not take your friends over to the billiard table where you can play a few games of pool while watching TV on the media wall. But this is just the beginning of this house. Come take a look at the kitchen, which is unlike anything you have ever seen. Here we are in the heart of the home, which is so much more than a kitchen. Take a look at the custom Italian cabinetry that's all flush with the wall, dual ovens, dual stove. I can't forget to mention the extra long marble countertop with hidden electrical outlets. You push down and they pop up, so you never have to have an eyesore. One other fun feature of this kitchen is the backsplash. It's actually jellyfish that's backlit. It's a really beautiful touch. But one of my favorite features of the kitchen is this custom wraparound banquette that has windows looking out to the pool. And since everybody comes to the kitchen to gather, it's so appropriate that you have this TV room right off of the kitchen. If this media wall doesn't do it for your guests, you can take them right around the corner to the theater room, which rivals the screens at the ArcLight. We are here in your very own master suite. Across from the sitting area, you have a custom headboard wall that is all ultra suede. You have an entire kitchen, so you don't have to leave your master bedroom for anything. We're gonna take a look at 2 of the most fabulous closets you've ever seen. The dark side modeled after Tom Ford, and the lighter side modeled after the Chanel store. Right around the corner is a spa, a gym, all while overlooking your black bottom, zero edge pool. This is a must-see, and we're going there now. We're out here in the backyard, which really is the place that sums up this entire mansion. It is built for opulence, but it's also built for family living, big entertaining. You have this massive hot tub, which I love because everybody can gather there. It parlays into the swimmer's pool and then carries on to your acre of land where the kids can run around in the grass. I want to thank you so much for taking today's tour with me. This home truly does have it all, from scale to land size. Thank you for today, and I will see you soon.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?